Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here. And I'll bet you didn't know I wore glasses. Yeah, I actually need them when I read now, and I've got a lot to read about with this pretty product here. Now, some of you might recall a company called Sphero. We've reviewed their products several times in the past. They make some really cool scientific toys that are good for education as well, and they encourage STEM. So naturally, they would create something like LittleBits. What is LittleBits, you're saying? Well, it's a bunch of little electronic toys here that you can put together and make some cool stuff. Now, yes, we are going to put this in here, and so most of you know I have Lego Technic Corner, where I do kind of similar projects like this. So naturally, I'm really kind of itching to get my teeth into this thing. So this is just kind of the box for it. You know what? I think it's time we did a little unboxing. Okay, well, as you can probably figure it out, I need to get something to cut open the box because there's a lot of stuff going on here. So let's see what's in it, if we can. We're just gonna see, how does this work here? How's this go again? Let's see. Thought I cut that in there pretty well. Maybe I didn't. Okay. Oh, good. It slides. Not bad. Okay. So once again, this is a LittleBits kit from Sphero. We're gonna check it out. And let's see, is there any other thing I've got to do here? Ooh, Space Rover Inventor kit. Here's the instructions right here. This should be pretty interesting. Okay, this just lifts out, so we're going to take that out. Oh, we got some stickers here. Well, that'll come in handy later. This looks like something that we fold out, and holy squawk. We are in it to win it now. This thing has... Oh my gosh. What am I dealing with here? I'm as excited as I am enthralled about how to do this because, whoa, man. Okay, this is like one of those cool educational science kits that has some really cool stuff in it. And dude, this is going to make a really excellent review once we can figure out how to get this together. Ah, man. This is one of those times in which I'm going to have to like identify each part. Oh, this is going to be a big job now that I take a look at it. The only thing I really recognize is this battery here. That's a battery. So that ought to give it power. That's its function. As for everything else, dang. This looks like it's going to get pretty complicated, isn't it? Oh, yeah. All right. Let's give it a try. Hey, Mark from the Geek Church, and I've just opened the box, and check it out. I've got this stuff, and it also came with this stuff here that I'm just showing you here, and it really came with a lot of stuff. Now, basically, these constructions can be made with paper and a bunch of, like, for lack of a better term, Lego bricks. I don't even really know how to describe these. But they kind of fit together. Maybe I can do a demonstration of this. Let's see. Okay, Jen, you gonna get that in the shot? Okay. All right, great. Okay, so all this stuff kind of mixes together. Plus, it also comes with these forms, which kind of, for lack of a better term, origami together here. And what you do is you get the app and put it on your smartphone, and that gives you instructions. So you can build things like this. Now, this is just made with paper, and these things are just stitched together here and stuff like that. So without any further ado, I'll just give you a demonstration. I've got a little controller here. See that? Okay. Can you get both in the shot? Or if you can, I'll try. How's that? Good? Okay, great. So you can see I'm working this thing a lot of places. Control is pretty simplistic. And this is essentially a robot kit with paper. Never have I seen anything like this, but honestly, for all the companies I've seen like this, Sphero would probably be the company that made this. After all, you've seen my other reviews on Sphero products, and we've got some interesting stuff on this. Now, this isn't the only kit that this company makes. They make stuff like, there's like a guitar kit, and there's something else here. Maybe we'll get some of those in the future that we can do this. But hey, for now, this is a great kit. I think it's available for about like $200. I'll do a price correction in the article when I get to that. And in the meantime, it's been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.